Have you ever wondered what happens when technology meets biology? Welcome to the fascinating world of DNA computing. This cutting-edge field of study merges the realms of computer science and biology in a way that's truly out of this world. Instead of using traditional silicon-based computer technologies, DNA computing leverages the power of DNA, biochemistry, and molecular biology hardware. Yes, you heard it right. The same DNA that defines who we are and how we look can also be used for computing purposes. In essence, DNA computing is all about taking the molecular building blocks of life and using them to perform computational tasks. It's like harnessing the power of life itself to solve complex problems and carry out intricate calculations. So, imagine having a computer that operates on a molecular level, capable of processing data at speeds and scales that dwarf our current technology. That's DNA computing for you. Before we dive into DNA computing, it's essential to understand what DNA is. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the blueprint of life. It's like a recipe book, filled with instructions on how to make every part of us. But how does it do this? Well, it's all about the structure and the four key ingredients. DNA is composed of four chemical bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. These bases pair up in a very specific way, with A always pairing with T and C always with G. This creates a sort of twisted ladder structure known as the double helix. The order of these bases is what determines the information available for building and maintaining an organism, similar to the way in which letters of the alphabet appear in a certain order to form words and sentences. So DNA isn't just about genes and heredity, it's a language, a code, and scientists are learning how to speak it. Now that we know what DNA is, let's see how it works as a computer. DNA computing leverages the unique properties of DNA to represent and process information. Here's how it works. Scientists use DNA strands, each strand representing a possible solution to a problem. These strands are mixed together in a test tube, and through a process known as hybridization, they stick together to form a double helix. This happens in parallel, meaning millions of operations occur simultaneously, leading to incredibly fast computation times. Tools like DNA sequencing, polymerase chain reaction, or PCR, and gel electrophoresis are used to read the results. DNA sequencing deciphers the order of bases in a DNA molecule, while PCR amplifies specific DNA segments, and gel electrophoresis separates DNA fragments based on size. In essence, DNA computing is a dance of molecules using nature's own systems to perform calculations unimaginable in scale and speed. That's right, strands of DNA can be used to solve complex problems. Welcome to the new era of computing. So, where can we use this cutting-edge technology? DNA computing, with its potential for massive parallel processing and ultra-compact storage, can be applied across a multitude of fields. Let's delve into a few examples. For starters, mathematicians and computer scientists are leveraging DNA computing to solve complex mathematical problems. These problems, which would take years to solve using traditional computing methods, can be tackled in a fraction of the time with DNA computing. Then, we have the world of logistics. DNA computing can optimize logistical operations such as scheduling and resource allocation in a way that's far more efficient than any existing system. But perhaps one of the most exciting applications lies in the medical field. Researchers are using DNA computing to design new drugs and medical treatments. Imagine a future where personalized medicine is the norm and treatments are tailored to our individual genetic makeup. The potential applications of DNA computing are as vast and varied as life itself. Like any technology, DNA computing has its pros and cons. On the upside, DNA computing has the potential for massive parallel processing ability. This means a DNA computer could theoretically perform millions of computations at once, making it much faster than traditional computers. Furthermore, DNA molecules can store vast amounts of information in an ultra-compact space. Just to give you an idea, a single gram of DNA could store the entire internet's data with room to spare. However, every rose has its thorns. DNA computing also faces significant challenges. The process of DNA synthesis, necessary for creating DNA computers, is currently quite expensive, which could slow down its widespread adoption. Moreover, biological systems can be error-prone, leading to inaccuracies in computations. Despite its challenges, the potential benefits of DNA computing could well outweigh the hurdles. It's a fascinating field, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. So, what does the future hold for DNA computing? As we stand on the brink of a revolutionary era, DNA computing is poised to redefine the landscape of technology and science. Imagine a future where complex mathematical problems that baffle today's supercomputers are solved in the blink of an eye. Envision an era where logistical operations are optimized with unprecedented efficiency and new medical treatments are devised using DNA computations. The potential of DNA computing is vast and uncharted, waiting to be explored. It's a realm where nature's own code could become the blueprint for next-generation technology. The future of DNA computing could reshape computing paradigms, revolutionize industries, and pave the way for unimaginable advancements in science and technology. However, like any journey into the unknown, it's filled with both excitement and challenges. As we continue to unravel the complexities of DNA computing, we stand to unlock a future of endless possibilities. DNA computing is not just a concept, but a reality that could redefine our future. Stay curious and keep exploring this incredible world of DNA-based computing.